Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is not realizing your worth. Ladies and gentlemen, sometimes we are absolutely not able to identify that what we are exactly capable of. Although we are having large number of qualities, we are having different varieties of talent in our own personality, but sometimes we are not able to realize it. We are not able to analyze it. And why we are not able to analyze it? Because we are majorly involved in other people's life. Most of the times we are discussing matters related to other people's life. We are discussing achievements and success of other people. We are discussing achievements and success of our friends, our relatives, our neighbors, our classmates, our colleagues. But very rarely we realize that we are also doing something in our life. And we are also doing something which is valuable, which is important, which is making a good contribution in society. In this whole process of concentrating on other people, we stop concentrating on ourselves. And because of this, we are absolutely not able to find out that what we are exactly capable of. But if by forgetting everyone in the world, we only start concentrating on ourselves, we will come to know that we are having large number of qualities. Doesn't matter what people say about us. Doesn't matter whether people are saying that we are good for nothing. But still, every individual is having some unique quality which is not present in any other individual. And that individual is only known popularly because of that unique quality. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the fact of life. Every individual has got certain unique qualities. But the biggest mistake that we people are making is we are not concentrating on our own specific qualities, and we are not trying to evaluate those qualities, because once we start evaluating those qualities, we will start working on those qualities and we will try to make necessary amendments in those qualities, and then we will come out as great professionals. Analyzing your own personality, analyzing your own quality, and then putting necessary changes in those qualities so that they can become favorable for you, this should be done. But instead of doing all these things, we are focusing on the lives of other people. 24/7 we are focusing on other people. What other people are doing, what they are achieving, what they have gained, what plans and policies they are following, but we are not doing anything in our own life. If we stop concentrating on other people, we will have enough time to concentrate on ourselves and improve our own life. And this needs to be done, ladies and gentlemen. In modern times, it has become a habit of everyone that most of the times we are concentrating on other people. Of course, if other people are having certain good qualities, we must concentrate on them. We must appreciate them for their good qualities. We must appreciate them for the good tasks that they have done. But we should not remain involved in such kind of talks all the time. Okay, somebody has done something great in his life. We respect that. We appreciate that person for the great thing that he has done. And if that great thing is highly valuable, we will also try to do the same thing. This is how human relation gets built up. This is how we grow, by analyzing each other's positive qualities. I am not saying that you will stop analyzing each other's positive qualities and you will stop getting inspiration from outside. We always get inspiration from outside. We always get inspiration from outside, from our team members, from our colleagues, from our classmates, even from our family members. We get inspired, and when we get inspired, we start working in the same positive direction. That is okay, that is fine. This is known as the process of taking inspiration from a good person. But remaining involved in other people's life 24/7, this is not getting any kind of inspiration. This is absolutely wasting your own time. Respecting other people for their good qualities, it is good. But do not depreciate yourself. Do not demoralize yourself. That since you are not able to do the same kind of task that the other people are doing, that's why you are worthless. It is not true. You are having your own specific unique qualities which other people are not having, and then you need to harness these qualities. So that a time must come when people should know you because of your own specific qualities. Doesn't matter if they are different from other people. Ladies and gentlemen, you must try to reach that level so that people start analyzing you because of your unique qualities. Doesn't matter whether those qualities are different from other people. This needs to be done. Focus all around you, that is important, but concentrate only on yourself. Concentrate only on your self growth, your self development, developing your own unique qualities which are specific to you, which are your own. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.